So this is the Elfin replacement toothbrush head that I have here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So here I've got a pack of 8 here. You can get a pack of 4 as well. So they all come with a cover here to keep it clean. So this is what it looks like here, close up. You compare it to a Philips Sonicare head one. This is what they look like side by side. Pretty much the same. You can see the contour on it as well, like that, which is nice. They have the indicator bristles there that will change color after about 3 months to let you know to replace them. And the bristles themselves feel nice and soft, like that. And then put it on the toothbrush head. Make sure it's the clip on like that, so it's the straight metal like that. So you just click it in like that. Once you put it in, works perfectly. Feels really nice there. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice replacement toothbrush head, that's going to be a great value. Make sure you check this out.